What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly look at Fantom. Haven't made a video on the last few days for Fantom just because not much has changed. We're just trading sideways, waiting for Bitcoin to break out. So we're sitting at 2.204. We're down about 3% on the day. Sitting a market cap of 5.18 billion, 24-hour volume, 355 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. They also have the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. Okay, guys, so let's jump into Fantom. So you can see we've just been trading sideways. We had that inverse head and shoulders, but it didn't play out as a little bit of a fake out. Technically, we could still have an inverse head and shoulders, but it's not pretty. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Not the prettiest pattern in my opinion. I was talking about also the potential of that head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but I don't think it's likely to play out. We're just consolidating and waiting for Bitcoin to break out, just as we did here. Consolidate, support, resistance, support, breakout. So I think that's what we're waiting for once again for Fantom. We're currently sitting with our average price at about 213. We had a buy zone at 234 and 194. So as I've been saying, we're just kind of waiting for our breakouts. If we pop over to the daily, you can see the MACD's in the floor. We're still holding this trend line. We're breaking underneath it just a little bit, but nothing really to worry about in my opinion. Bitcoin's doing the exact same thing, just retesting that trend line once again at 55292. So if we can create a strong level of support, we break out for Bitcoin, that's when you're going to see a recovery for Fantom as well. It's not until we lose this low, in my opinion, that we would be kind of reversing the trend. We'd be losing this trend line and we'd have to target lower price targets. But as of right now, we're just waiting for our recovery, in my opinion. We've went through our ABC correction for Fantom. We're holding the 1.414 as support. I think the lowest we would go is about 178 and retest that level of support, this previous swing high, before bouncing back towards the upside. But I do think the bounce is coming soon, guys. And our price target for this bull run 597 and the 2.272 at 993. So it's just a bit of a waiting game for Fantom and the rest of the market, to be honest, waiting for Bitcoin to break out. If we do come back down here to 194, you can enter once again if you wish to. You can bring your average price down and you get ready to ride the slingshot back up. And our next buy zone's down here at 164 for FTM. So that's basically it for this one. Just a bit of consolidation before our breakout, in my opinion. Shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one, guys. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.